Here we are today with our 1954 Chevy 3100 quarter-ton pickup. As you can see, it had a repaint 40 years ago, and also it has had a conversion from 6 volt to 12 volt, as you can see. Recently, the carburetor's been completely rebuilt and the brake system completely redone. So it's a perfect driver. Now, and wheel bearings as well. So what we're here to do now is just do a cold start. The car's been sitting for a week. As you can see, valve cover, everything's cool. And our owner is now going to start it.
Pull the choke out.
Choke out. 3 pumps of the accelerator.
Make sure it's in neutral or the clutch is down.
That's our cold start. Now we'll take it for a drive.